Is your Wix website buried in Google search results? Don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you how to verify your Wix website with Google Search Console using a TXT record, which is the first step to boosting your SEO. First, head over to Google Search Console and make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with your business. If you haven't already, you will need to add your website as a property. Click the Add Property button. Choose the URL prefix method. Enter your Wix website's URL exactly as it appears in your browser, including the HTTPS or HTTP, then hit Continue. Now you'll see various verification methods. Scroll down and select the TXT record option. Google will provide you with a unique TXT record value. Click the Copy button to copy this value to your clipboard. Next, open your Wix account and go to your website's dashboard. Navigate to Settings. Then click on Domains. Select the domain you want to connect to Google Search Console and select the three dots. On the Domain Settings page, find the Advanced Settings section and click Manage DNS Records. In the DNS Records section, click the plus button next to TXT text and create a new TXT record in the hostname field. Enter @ to signify the root domain in the value field. Paste the TXT record value you copied from Google Search Console. Click Save. Go back to Google Search Console and click the Verify button. It might take a few minutes, or even a couple of hours, for Google to detect the TXT record. If verification fails immediately, don't panic. Just wait a while and try again. Once verified, you'll have access to valuable data about your website's performance in Google Search, including search traffic, indexing status, and potential issues. Use this data to improve your SEO and attract more visitors. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Wix SEO tips and tricks.